Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. This past week, a critical development from the US has sent a clear message to medical device makers worldwide. The Food and Drug Administration, the FDA, has significantly intensified its scrutiny on the cybersecurity of connected devices. This is not just a gradual policy shift, it's an abrupt raising of the bar, evidenced by a sharp increase in submission rejections for devices that would have likely passed just a few months ago. The core of the issue lies in the FDA's new, unwritten expectations for pre-market submissions. Companies are now required to present a comprehensive software bill of materials, or SBOM, for every connected device. This means detailing every single software component and library within the product. Furthermore, the agency is demanding robust dynamic threat modeling and a detailed vulnerability management plan that proves a company can proactively handle threats, not just react to them. Let's look at a real-world example that unfolded just last week. A promising mid-sized German MedTech company, specializing in remote cardiac monitoring, received a refuse-to-accept letter for their 510(k) submission. Their technology was sound, and their clinical data was strong. However, their cybersecurity plan was deemed purely reactive. They lacked a proactive surveillance strategy and couldn't produce a full SBOM for their device's firmware. The consequence is severe. They are now facing a minimum 6-month delay for their US market launch, forcing them into a costly redevelopment cycle to re-architect their software and security protocols. This translates to millions in unforeseen expenses and lost revenue, a potentially crippling blow for a company of their size. This case highlights a new reality. Regulatory strategy is no longer separate from product development. It must be integrated from the very first line of code. This trend is not isolated to the United States. Regulators in the European Union and key Asian markets are observing the FDA's actions closely. The era of treating cybersecurity as a final checkbox before submission is definitively over. For MedTech innovators, this means that achieving global market access now requires a deeply embedded, proactive, and meticulously documented cybersecurity framework from day one. Building this resilience is a complex multi-market challenge. For expert guidance on creating a global regulatory and cybersecurity strategy that accelerates rather than hinders your market access, please contact Pure Global at info@pureglobal.com or visit our website at pureglobal.com.